Hello friends, today is 3D first day in Cebu. Now, he is giving us his pasalubong. Do not bow down much, your panot head will be seen. See, see, I will show in the video your panot head. What's that? Soon,
Food.
body. Don't put the food in.
Is it all sweet?
Do not put. Why put there? It's food. Okay, doon na lang. There na lang. See? He's giving pasalubong, guys. These are what you call this? What?
Sweets.
Pida and pakdi. I don't know. Pida, pakdi.
Peda.
Pera.
Bundi laddu.
What's a laddu? Oh, I've seen laddu a lot of times in the vlogs.
Then these are snacks. Murko.
Morco.
Snacks.
Yeah, okay. Lots of food now for the diabetic person. He wants me to die early.
Okay. Kata mitha.
I love this. I miss this. Kata mita. I told you the small pocket.
This is small one. Oh, this is another kata mitha.
Ngang ko ba nga nang gusto magmamatay ko ang gipang da puro tamis na. Oh. Okay.
Then
That's lots of sugar.
Some Indian.
That's what auntie ate? No.
No.
I told you bring me. Day, unsa na biscuit man na. Your panot will be seen.
Okay.
Dili ko biscuit.
Biscuit done. Now other set.
Acha, another one. I thought lots of biscuits.
Wait.
You told me lots. What's that?
Wait. Later. First medicine part.
Acha, lots of medicine. Medyo ni mawayang tambal.
Oh.
He is also giving me medicine. What that medicine?
Amrutanjan for headache.
Amortanjan.
Oh.
Okay.
Then second one.
Amortanjan also. Sige. I'm a sick person, guys. So he's giving
Third one.
me headache. He's also the cure. So
Fourth.
the person who gives me headache, same person who gives me medicine for the headache. Daganan ako tambal sakit oh.
Oh.
My mom said India is not strict. Why you were able to bring that? Yung mama magbigay mo nako nga tagaan ko nako tambal.
No.
Yeah. Now another pasalubong, guys. What's that? What's the
gold
bangles?
earrings.
Show me. I will make video. Show me.
Gold earrings.
So, Koripot is buying pasalubong, guys. He's not so Koripot. Nagamayog. Dako sa picture.
Oh. Earrings.
Is it real?
Is it real?
Genuine?
Check
I can
out.
pawn in the pawn shop?
But we'll get less price. Kuripat na ako.
Less pawn, guys. Madawat no. Matanggap na sa pawn shop, pero
This is the cover of it.
you open.
This is cover na. The cover is here.
Acha.
Oh.
So it has a stone. This is ruby. Ruby gem. It's color red. It's airing, guys, with ruby.
This is for auntie.
Nisidlak man diri.
I want not break. I asked him if it will
Oh, di
break.
ko na. That's for my mother.
It's auntie.
Pantiguang imong banggo.
It will not break.
I told my mom, this looks like for old ladies. She will become old.
Thank you.
Oh, pirated day mo.
Then this is your other one. It does not break.
Ala, nindot ang sudlanan ako. She get envy.
Why?
She's envious now because it looks more it's better.
You guys change the next change between yourselves.
See?
This is yours one.
If it will fit. If it's not fit, you fit. It's not, it will not fit. Wait, nain pala. Guys, that's my pasalubong.
Guba hands.
See, guys. See, it's very small. I told you.
Wait, your hands are so big.
Big size?
My God, guys.
Yeah.
That one. Now I look
Two in one?
Oh, 2 in 1.
Like this.
See, guys,
Like a baby hand.
my hand looks good with this.
Like a baby hand. Little baby hands. Wait.
He said my hand is baby hand, very small, but it's bataba hand.
A very taba hands. Wait. Go.
Oh my God, it hurts. Yeah, thank you, guys. Very nice. Thank you.
One more is left.
Wait, thank you, 3D.
These are dangling ones.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Panot head.
Hello, guys. Today is what's the date?
First day.
April 4. Panot's guy first day here. Okay.
Oh.
The fifth time visit in Cebu, Philippines, and the first day. So right now, we will be eating chicken adobo. Not adobo, but chicken adobo. I will show you.
Wala na water.
What you said?
So much of rice. Less rice. Oh.
Guys, I'm feeding him rice, see? He doesn't want rice.
rice,
And this
rice.
is chicken adobo. He loves oily foods.
Mm.
My mom said, Chok, why this is very oily? I said, not really likes
Yum,
oily.
yum.
And then Francis will bang me because he doesn't like oily
Oh,
foods.
you should not eat
Hello.
oily food.
You eat na if you like.
You put rice, little bit rice there.
No.
How much you like?
Because you know we will walk long way today
Strong.
from the museum to the Santo Niño. Wow, very far, more than 1 kilometer. First time.
I used to walk 5 kilometers in Singapore.
Acha, but that was when you were young. Now you are old.
Last year.
Ay, you were younger last
Where
year.
pani?
Eat.
Eat pani.
See guys, I will tell him. He will do whatever I will say. Eat.
No.
Eat.
No. Pani.
Eat.
Pani na.
Yeah, you eat it. I don't know where is your pani.
Pani. Let me find the pani then.
Princess. Francis already finished taking bath.
Where is my pani?
See?
Where is pani?
Pani.
Oh, I found my pani.
Pani is water, guys, by the way. Pani is water.
Pani.
So, let's see if he will like... Just get one piece. Wait, ha?
No.
Ah.
No, wait.
Tawas nga dako. No. Wait, ha? So, na guys, he will be eating panot. Is it yummy? Give the chicken first. I will...
Yes, you cannot now.
No, I will
After rice
I will
chicken.
let you...
After rice then chicken, not in the
This
middle.
is... Guys, this is my favorite part of the chicken. The butt part.
Eee.
Yeah. Let me see your reaction. What? Do not
Why
eat.
will I eat the bum?
So, it's masarap.
I will lick the bum.
Yeah, that's the bomb. First, I will let this. No. I will tell them if it's masarap or not. Then I will eat na.
Oh, salap.
No. Eat the chicken.
Lami. Oh.
Take a bite. He ate the bomb part, guys.
Mm.
It's bomb. Do not eat the part. That one. Oh my gosh, he didn't like it. He ate the bomb and he didn't like it. As if he is not a guy. Guys love eating bomb. Seriously, is it masarap or not? No, you say not, masarap or not? What, masarap or not? Say that in your language so that our Indian friends will understand.
It is tasty.
Indiano.
It is tasty. No worries.
Say it in Hindi or in whatever you want. I will not put subtitle, no? Then our
But
Indian...
chorizo is more tasty.
Wow, we have Indian friends. They will watch, okay? Is it masarap?
Hanji.
What hanji? So, it's not masarap, guys, I think. He didn't like it.
It is, but chorizo is better.
I know, but is masarap or not? Say masarap.
Machala.
Okay. If you not say masarap, I will not feed you again. Okay, guys, we'll eat now. Thanks God for the blessings.